New engine for Black Hawk, Apache moves toward production. The U.S. Army has opened a sources sought notice for production of the T901G900 turboshaft engine, the next-generation powerplant set, to replace the T700 series across the service's Black Hawk and Apache helicopter fleets. The notice, posted August 14th by the Army's Aviation Turbine Engines Project Office, asks industry to identify companies capable of executing a production contract for the T901. Responses are due August 29th. The notice states plainly that it is not a solicitation and that no contract will result directly from it. The Army is using it to gather information for planning purposes as it moves the improved turbine engine program into its production phase under the middle-tier acquisition pathway. The T901 is rated at 3,000 shaft horsepower, placing it in a new class of turboshaft engine the Army has designated for its next generation of helicopter powerplants. It is designed as a form, fit, and function replacement for the T700G701D engines currently powering the UH-60 Black Hawk and AH-64E Apache, the engine family that has powered both airframes since they entered service decades ago. Because the T901 fits within the existing engine nacelles on both aircraft, the Army says the swap will not require major aircraft modifications, allowing the newer engine to be installed on current airframes rather than requiring a new aircraft design. General Electric Aerospace developed the T901 and holds the engineering work to date, reflected in the engine's G900 designation. The Army's notice states that the government does not currently possess a complete technical data package for the engine, including system and subsystem drawings, tooling drawings, or software source code and models. The notice says the government wants all software and hardware delivered under the eventual contract to carry, at minimum, government purpose rights, a data rights standard that would let the Army share technical information with other contractors for maintenance and future competition. The production contract period of performance is set at 60 months from award. The Army expects production deliveries to begin no later than 2031 and to be completed by 2033. Those engines will support what the Army calls first unit equipped and first unit issued fielding activities, the point at which the first operational units receive the new engines. Beyond the engines themselves, the anticipated contract will include spare parts, special tooling and support equipment, shipping containers, interim contractor logistics support, depot maintenance work requirements, contractor field service representatives, and associated training programs. Maintenance support will come from both the engine's original equipment manufacturer and the Black Hawk and Apache platform manufacturers. The Army is requesting detailed information from interested companies, including company size and ownership structure, small business status under NAICS code 336412, technical data on how proposed engine meets airworthiness release criteria, dimensions and weight specifications, existing test reports from prior airworthiness qualification work, and pricing information. The notice also asks whether respondents maintain a technical, logistics, and contracting office in the Huntsville, Alabama area, near the contracting office at Redstone Arsenal.